All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be creating some YouTube scripts using none other than ChatGPT. So we're going to use a couple different modules. And if you don't already have AIPRM ChatGPT prompts installed, well, you're going to get over 1,000 community shared prompts that are really awesome prompts that if you're just new to this, they're going to be pretty hard to create. And so people have already tested a bunch of times. They've tested and tested and tested to get their prompt perfect in order to upload it to AIPRM. So you can go and just get this extension and you can use this inside of ChatGPT. So we're going to get started, but first we need a keyword. And the first thing that I do as well is this is what it's going to look like when you come in here. It's going to be some of the most popular ones. We're up to 1,300, almost 1,400 prompts. People are adding their prompts daily to this, right? But what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're just going to type in YouTube and push enter, and you're going to get all these YouTube prompts. There's 61 YouTube prompts right now. We're going to try a couple of them right now. We can go over here and create YouTube killer titles. So you can click that right there. I'm going to go and get a keyword in one of my keyword research tools over here. And which one? It's called How to Make Money on Audible. And so I'm going to copy that. We're going to come back over here to ChatGPT, and I'm going to throw that topic in right now, and I'm literally going to just push the enter button and let it go to work. So we have, it's going to create some variations for us that might help us get more clicks and so forth, right? So we have earn passive income on Audible, making money on Audible, a step-by-step guide, maximizing earnings on Audible, the ultimate guide to making money on Audible. So you can use these unleashing the money-making potential of Audible. So these might be cool. Like if you're going to do a series around making money on Audible, then there could be your 10 titles right there. But for now, we're going to just stick with our topic, but I wanted to show you that feature right there, okay? So what I'm going to do is just go over here to new chat. And then you can also go over and just some of the chats that you're not going to be using. You can see I'm using the heck out of ChatGPT in my business. This is how you embrace ChatGPT to make money online. You can just scroll through here and you can see I'm creating websites. I'm doing keyword research, keyword clustering, keyword category grouping with ChatGPT. I'm doing affiliate marketing and doing copywriting, all kinds of things that you can do, writing emails and so forth. So the sky's the limit with ChatGPT on how you can use it in your business. But let's get back to looking at how we can use it to create some really cool YouTube scripts using what's already available to us. So we don't have to go out and prompt engineer ourselves. We can actually just come in here and use what's over here. And we already know what's popular by looking over here at the views and looking at the comments and looking at the likes. So when you look at the likes right here, that's really going to tell you what stands out. They automatically go to the top. See, as we go down here, they're going to get less and less. So the number one is this YouTube script creator right here. And then there's a YouTube video script pro right here as well. So we can go and look at both those. There's also a 15-second shorts script. So if you're creating for YouTube shorts or TikTok and you want just the 15-second ones, that one will come in handy as well. Another one that I want to try, I'll make a different video on, is the YouTube transcript to article converter. So if you go and you transcribe one of your videos, like for example, the video that I'm creating right now, I could go and get the transcription from it. Then I could plug that into this prompt here, and then we could spit out a well-written article. So it's going to turn in, because when you're talking, like I just said, you're not going to write things like that when you're writing a formal blog post. And this will hopefully kind of get rid of that and clean up your YouTube script that you already did a lot of research on and so forth. And it's going to be very unique. So pretty cool stuff. I want to try that one out as well. We're going to come through here, YouTube script creator. We're going to try this one out. We're going to just throw in how to change a tire, and then exploring the Hawaiian Mountains. So you're just going to put in your topic right here, Control V, and push enter. Now it's going to go out to work. I'm also going to go ahead and zoom in so we can kind of see the screen a little bit better. And here we go. So this one is going to give us the actual scene and also, give us basically an exact idea of what we should actually do to create this video. So it does have closing shot of a host waving goodbye. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. So a couple things that you can do with this, right? So it took this script for us, and what we could do is where it says host. So you could just say, now give me just the host sections. And then it should go back up and just provide the hosts. So, hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make money on Audible. For those of you that don't know how Audible is, for those of you who don't know, Audible is an online platform that provides audiobooks, podcasts, and other audio content. It's owned by Amazon and has millions of subscribers worldwide. The great thing about Audible is that you can earn money through their ACX program, which stands for Audiobook Creation Exchange, and it's just going to keep going and going. So this is the script right here. And when you look at it, I'm going to actually go, you already know it's a short script. It's only 250 words in length. So you're going to have to play with this a little bit in order to get a longer script. If you need that 1,200 word script to try to hit that 8-minute mark, you're going to have to do some further things with this. You're going to have to say, okay, rewrite it. We can try that. I'll just do it for you right now. So now let's write this again, but only focus on the host sections and try to make the script for a 9-minute video. So we need much more detailed output and a lot more content. Boom. And then it's going to go to work, and we'll see if we can get this up to 500, 600, maybe 700 words, because that's one thing that ChatGPT, you can't just plug in a number, I need 1,200 words, and then it just does it. Even if you tell it specifically to give you 1,000 words, I find that 95% of the time it does not provide that. So you've got to work around that. And like the way that I just worded it, give me a lot more context. Let's go into detail and, only focus on the actual script from the host. So whatever this prompt is talking about, somewhere in the prompt, it has host in there. We can actually go up to the top. But when this is done, we definitely got a lot more text. We're looking a lot better right here. We can right click and look at word counter. And now we got up to 600 words. So we, tripled the output just by giving it this simple command right here. Now let's write this again, but only focus on the host sections and try to make the script for a 9-minute video. So obviously it doesn't know that it's not a 9-minute video. You can put your text in there and say 1,000 words. It's generally not going to just produce the 1,000 words for you, but you've got to just keep trying, and then you'll eventually get it. You can also just take each section and say, hey, expand on this, right? And then just have a notepad on the side, and you can really get this up to 1,200 words pretty easily. But when we come up here, sometimes when you go off of this and then you come back, sometimes you're able to see the actual, okay, come back over here. Sometimes when you leave, it's kind of like a trick, but when you, let's see, create a compelling and captivating YouTube video script from the following description. That can't just be the entire prompt. I'm going to say save prompt. No, that's how you can edit. No. Sometimes when you leave and then you come back, you'll actually see the real prompt in here, and it'll be this giant prompt, right? So it's pretty crazy stuff. Let's go back over and let's try the other ones. I'm going to go back up. We're on YouTube. And now let's go try this Pro one out. I'm going to click on that one, and we're going to put in our keyword right here. And I'm just going to push enter, and we're going to test this one out as well. Video description. Are you an inspiring author or narrator looking to make some extra money? If so, then Audible, blah, blah, blah. So it's giving us some keywords that we can go for. I don't know if those keywords are, keywords that we want to go for in our video, in the video tags or so forth. But it's starting off with our introduction right there. And then here we go. Here's the intro. Welcome to our channel, our video, and then voiceover right here. Step 1, step 2, step 3. And then now let's talk about how to increase your earnings as an author on Audible. And this one's going into far more details. Now you can see that this is about the max output that you're going to be able to get from ChatGPT. So I'm going to right click and you can see that's about right. Between 500 and 600 words is about the max content for one kind of go at it. But you can see that this prompt is not done and neither is ChatGPT. So all you have to do, and that's another really cool thing about having the AIPRM extension installed while you're using ChatGPT, is that you're able to just push the continue button. If you don't have this right here, the continue button is not there, right? And they have all these other things right here: clarify, expand, all kinds of stuff. But the continue button I use the most. You would have to write continue and then push the enter button. So it does save you time and everything. So we're just going to say continue. See, it does continue writing, please. And then it's just ready to go. Boom. And then when you copy this final thing, you'll just go through and make sure you remove anything that says voiceover continued and continue writing, right? So we're going to let it just continue doing its thing. We'll be right back. So we're on the outro. That's it for our comprehensive guide on how to make money on Audible. Whether you're an author or narrator, there are plenty of opportunities to monetize your skills. And you know what? And I don't even know if it even talked about affiliate marketing in here. So if you know the topic, we've got Audible's promotion programs. Audible offers several promotion programs that can help increase your earnings. Promote your audiobook, narrator, get the rights. So it didn't even go into affiliate marketing. So what you would do up here is you would basically put in that you also want it to talk about these three things, affiliate marketing to earn money with Audible. You want it to talk about, voiceovers, selling your voiceover services to people that need voiceovers for their audio book, and then publishing your own audio books on Audible. Those are the three main ways to make money, right? And then it could really expand this out. But here you can see, this is where it started right here. We're going to scroll all the way down and see where we're at with the word count. We got 800 words. So now we're talking, right? The more detailed information you can give it at the start, you give it a title and then tell it exactly what you want to talk about, you can probably get this one up to 1,000. But this one already, just by coming in here and testing the couple of them out, depending on your needs, if you only need a 5-minute video or less, then the other script will work just fine, the one we used before this. But if you need that longer article or that longer script created, then this one works better, right? So I'm going to come up here. That one's really, really cool. Then you can go and you can create your YouTube script and then YouTube transcript to article. And you can just keep coming through here and see if there's any other ones you want to try out. This one's a YouTube script, catchy title, intro and outro. We can try one more right here. And of course you can make your own as well. You can make your own, but these will just get you started right away. I'm going to go over here and just put the topic in right there. And I'm going to go ahead and just go boom. And let's just see what this one gives us. Would you, this one, this is built into the prompt, and he's self-advertising right here. That's actually pretty cool. So we have the introduction, main body, step 2, 3, 4. This one, I'm not sure how, yeah, it's not too long. This one's not as great. This one only gave us a couple hundred. It is going to give us some titles right there. They're just really kind of self-promoting right there, but really it didn't give us too much. This is for a small, short YouTube video of only 300 words right there. Okay. So that is some really cool ways that you can use ChatGPT to create and use artificial intelligence and use what is available right now while ChatGPT is 100% available for free to the public. This is a way that you can go out there and start creating some really good YouTube scripts that you can go out and record your own voiceover, hire someone on Fiverr to record the voiceovers, and then you can use other tools to create videos, and you can actually start making some high quality videos and have a high quality YouTube channel. So you can start going out there and crushing it on YouTube. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it brought any value at all, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to Teach Me Money Methods, and I'll see you in the next video.